Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the Shopify website design for digital products. Go to your browser and open the Canvas website. Once you are on Canva, look for a button that says Create a Design. It is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Create a Design. A menu will appear with different design size options. Click on Custom Size. This lets you choose the exact dimensions you need for your design. You will see fields to enter the width and height of your design. Type in the numbers for how wide and tall you want your designs to be. You can also choose the units from a drop-down menu next to the size fields. After entering the dimensions, click on the button to confirm. Your design canvas will now be set to the size you choose. Open a new tab in your web browser. In the new tab, type pixel.com into the search bar. Press enter to go to the website. Once on pixel.com, use the search bar to find free photos. For example, you can type free tablet photo and press enter. You will see many photos related to your search. Scroll down the page to see more options. Click on the photo you like to open it. Look for a download button and click on it to save the photo to your computer. Repeat this process if you want to download multiple photos. Return to the tab where you have Canva open. In Canva, find the Uploads button on the left-hand side of the screen and click on it. Then click on Upload Files. A window will pop up showing files on your computer. Find and select the photos you downloaded from pixel.com. Click Open to upload them to Canva. Once your photos are uploaded, click on one to add it to your design canvas. Click and drag the corners of the photo to resize it. Move it around until it fits well on your canvas. Look at the options on the left-hand side of the Canvas screen. Scroll down to find the Elements button and click on it. Use the search bar under Elements to find specific graphics or icons. For example, type ePlanner to find relevant elements. Click on the elements you like to add them to your design. Adjust their size and position to fit your design style. Go to the second page of your design by clicking on the Page 2 thumbnail on the right-hand side. Repeat the upload process if you have more pictures. Click on Uploads again and then Upload Files. Select and upload additional pictures from your computer to Canva. Navigate to the third page by clicking Add Page or going to page 3. Click on the Elements tab on the left side of the screen. Use the search bar under Elements and type Tablet. Browse through the tablet graphics and icons. Click on a tablet element to add it to your canvas. Adjust its size by clicking and dragging its corners. Move it around to position it as needed. You can add more tablet elements or other graphics by repeating the same process. If you need additional pages, click on Add Page at the bottom of the page thumbnails on the right. Continue adding elements, such as different tablet designs or any other graphics that fit your theme. Once you have finished designing, click on the Share button at the top right corner of the Canvas screen. A menu will appear. Click on Download. Choose the file type you prefer, such as PNG, JPEG, or PDF. Click on Download to save the design to your computer. Go to your web browser and type shopify.com to access your Shopify account. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click on Products. Click on Add Products. Fill in the product title and add a detailed description. Describe your digital product clearly. Scroll down to the Media section and click on Add Media to upload the design you downloaded from Canva. Complete other sections such as pricing, inventory, shipping, and variants as needed. Ensure all details are filled out correctly. Click on Save at the top right corner of the page. In the left-hand menu, click on Collections. Click on Create Collection. Enter a title and a well-explained description for your collection. Choose the collection type, such as automated or manual. Select the theme template that matches your store's design. Click on Save. Once saved, your new collection will appear in the collections list. Scroll down to the bottom left side of your Shopify admin and click on Apps. Click on Shopify App Store. In the App Store, search for Digital Downloads. Click on the app, then click Install to add it to your Shopify store. Once installed, return to your Shopify admin. Go to the Digital Downloads app. Click on Add Files and upload the digital product files you want to sell. Ensure the files are correctly uploaded and linked to the relevant products. In the left-hand menu, click on Online Store. Click on Themes in the left-hand menu. Find your current theme and click on Customize next to it. Click on Header to access header settings. Select the position for your desktop logo. Add an announcement bar with a message like Welcome to our store. Customize the appearance of the announcement bar as desired. Choose whether you want a sticky header that remains visible when scrolling. Options include sticking the header on scroll up, always displaying it, or reducing the logo size when scrolling. Scroll down to the footer section and click on Add Section. Search for or select the desired section to add to your footer. Click on the settings icon within the selected footer section. Navigate to the social media settings. Add links to your various social media profiles such as TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Snapchat. Return to the header settings and click on Logo. Upload your logo by clicking on Select Image and then Add Images. Choose the logo image you want to use and upload it. Adjust the width of the desktop logo as needed. Navigate to Navigation in your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on Add Menu and give it a title. Add menu items by clicking on Add Menu Item. For example, you can add a menu item for tablet. In the theme customization options, scroll down to where your featured products appear. Review and adjust the settings for how your featured products are displayed. After making all desired customizations, go back to your Canva design to compare. Ensure that all changes are reflected in your Shopify theme. Return to your Shopify admin dashboard and review your store. Scroll down to check all the elements and settings you have configured. Click on the Catalog section and select Change from the options on the left. Choose the desired catalog layout. Click on Change Menu to select the menu you created earlier, such as Tablet. Customize the display for desktop or mobile mode as needed. Double-check all settings, layouts, and content to ensure they meet your preferences. Once satisfied with customization, click on Save to apply the changes to your Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.